Hey guys, it's your girl, Pardon My Beauty TV, and I'm back with another video. So guys, here I am coming out my hair. I'm gonna be straightening my hair in this video. It's not detailed at all. It was long overdue, and yeah, as you can see, previously I went to the Dominicans to get my hair washed and braided, just like into some like Meek Mills or cornrows or whatever you want to call it. And I was wearing my wig, but then I took them out, as you can see in my birthday vlog, and I just had the crinkly hair. So anywho, yeah, I'm just gonna throw little quick flat iron curls into this and then wrap it up and throw my scarf on, go to bed. So basically I showed you guys my heat protectant, my frizz tainment oil, and everything else I'm gonna be spraying on my hair. If you don't see me using something, that's because I used it off camera. I don't think I used the bobby pins for this, but I'm not really going to be talking throughout this whole video. Yeah, so I might pop back in, but yeah. Just make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and as I promised, more videos. So here I am. I haven't been feeling well due to the pregnancy, so if things are late, delayed, or if I'm not posting consistently, just bear with me, guys. I'm trying. I barely can get out the bed sometimes, so yeah, so just stay tuned. And honestly, my hair grew so much. Yeah, so just stay tuned, enjoy the little music, and make sure you guys continue supporting me. Thank you for all the views that I'm getting and the likes and subscribers. I appreciate it.